Good morning, lovies. Hi. Don't mind this thing. My car still does not have heat, so this is my husband's solution to me getting heat until we figure out what the heck's wrong with my car. So anyways, today is November 17th. I still don't know if we're moving or not. I talked to the couple this morning. They got their confirmation email, their numbers and all that stuff, that their application for the mortgage and all this stuff was received, but no official word if they were approved or denied. So I am still playing the waiting game. This is officially 10 days and I'm still counting. Just between me and you, this is driving me crazy because I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea if I'm staying or I'm leaving, and it is like 8 days till we leave to go to New Jersey for Thanksgiving break. I don't know what I'm doing. So, I'm just trying to be completely honest with you guys. My heart is, I want to move, so I want to be packing. And if I'm not doing that, then I want to be doing Christmas. But I'm stuck in between the both. So, long story short, but I know everybody keeps asking, Missy, are you moving? Are you moving? As of November 17th at 11 o'clock a.m., I have no idea if I'm moving or not. I have no idea if I'm packing or if I'm putting on my Christmas tree. I have no idea. So it is unseasonably warm today. So I thought today would be a great day to do, like, spend the day with me. So that's why we're starting it off in the car. I have to run to the bank. I got the doggo. You probably can't see him. I'm going to have a walk with him, and because it's unseasonably warm, it's supposed to be like 65 degrees today. There's a really nice breeze. My outside is a little messy. All of our fall decor is still up, which is fine because, you know, Thanksgiving's at the end of the month. But I thought why it was so unseasonably, you know, why it's so warm outside, today would be just a great day to, you know, get rid of all the pumpkins and the mums and put away the porch furniture and just work outside. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today, and I thought I would just take you along with me because I really don't know what to be doing right now. I feel like I'm completely in limbo because if I'm staying, then I have a ton of Christmas content. If we're moving, then I'm going to have a ton of packing and organization and cleaning and all that kind of stuff, which is great because that's what this channel is all about. But I don't know what to do. Just kind of like, well, what are we doing today, folks? So I really hate it because it's getting really close to the holidays. I really hate this. You have no idea. This is not me. I like to get up every day. I am super organized. I have a plan for every day. I know what I want to be doing. It helps with my mental health, and I don't have anxiety, and I feel a little cray right now. I feel a little cray. So I don't want to make the intro super long, but that is basically where I'm at. So right now I'm headed to the bank. I've got banking business to do. And then when I'm down that way, there's a really nice park down there. You guys, I think I have 2 channels now, which, by the way, if you're interested in my weight loss journey and healthy recipes and all that stuff, non-scale victories, my second channel will be linked down below. And I often take those folks on walks with me. So I know they've been to this park with me, but I'm not sure if you guys have. So, you know, I'll throw in a little bit of footage of us at the park. It's a beautiful day. The sky is blue. It's really warm. It's gonna be a beautiful day. So instead of sitting in my house looking at all the things that I want to be doing, that I could be doing, because when I look at my house now, I'm like, well, that can go in this box and I should pack that together, and I need to get newspaper so I can wrap that. And then the other side of my brain's going, oh, I should put the Christmas tree there, and oh, this would be so cute if I can do the garland here, and oh, I want to put my pillows here. I just feel completely scattered brain. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So we're gonna work outside so I don't have all these crazy thoughts. And yeah, so let's get the day started moving along here. Yeah, it's a little cray out here too. Like, the traffic's a little unusual. But anyways, let's do this. Hi, good morning. I need to make a deposit. I'm sorry?
Somebody else deposits everything.
I know. He thinks he has to be involved in everything.
Buddy, you want some money? How about a treat? You want treats?
Oh yeah, he loves treats. Calm down. Oh, you just fell, didn't you? Did you just fall? Did my limber dog just fall? Did you just fall? I feel like a kid when I do this. They're like 3 inches deep. This is where we are. All right, now that we're home, we're going to get our shed opened, and I am going to get as much as I can done. I told my husband I was doing this, and he asked if I would wait till he got home to take the porch furniture in here because he sees the shed as his man space, and he wanted to organize all of this before I put the porch furniture in there. So I'm going to get as much as I can get done and then wait for him to get home to put the porch furniture in. So let's get the yard going. All right, the hubs is home. So now we're going to pull out our lawnmowers and all of that stuff. And he is going to reorganize his little space here. He wants to put the table, and he just has like his view of the way he wants to do this. And while he's doing all of that, I'm going to bring all of the porch furniture to him beside the shed, sweep and all of the stuff that I can do. And then once he gets his space the way he wants, then I will help him put it in there. We make a good team. We're going to have good teamwork to get our porch furniture in the shed. It's much later in the day. I had to take my hair out of my ponytail. Does anybody else have this trouble? When they put their hair up in a ponytail, after a few hours, you get a headache. I think my ponytail bands, I got them from the Dollar Tree, but I think these particular ones that I got, they're just a little too tight. Sometimes I get really good ones where they don't hurt my head, and other times after I wear them for a while, I get a headache. But this is still the same day. I just took my hair down because my ponytail was a little too tight. So we're going to get busy and get the porch emptied and the shed organized so that it all can be put away, and we're going to use husband and wife teamwork to get it done. All right, lovies, that's about it for me today. We got a lot done. It was all outside, but we needed to winterize our porch and get ready for the cold months because it had already snowed twice by this time. Hopefully the next time I speak to you guys, I will know a little bit more about what I'm doing, moving, staying, Christmas, packing, I don't know. But hopefully I will know more when I talk to you guys next, even as I'm recording this. Voiceover. I still don't know what I'm doing. But at least we're prepared for winter if we stay. So whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, just be thankful for whatever God has given you. And I know He will bless you with more. And I am so thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I love you, and I'll be talking to you very soon in the next one. Until then, take care of you. God bless, and happy Thanksgiving. That, my friends, is the moon tonight. Wow! It's huge. It is a full harvest moon. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Love it. Look at it, guys. Holy cow. Awesome.